Okay, 2008 Subaru Tribeca. We're replacing all the door speakers, as well as I'm putting an amplifier, powered subwoofer underneath the front seat. This floor has a ton of room down underneath it. There's a vent for the front or the rear floor heaters. But I needed to run a power wire and ground. There's a great ground spot just right down under here. It looks like it's holding an airbag module or something, got some kind of a shock sensor. And so that's an easy place to get your ground wire in. And then for running the power, up underneath the dash, if you look up in there, see if I can get that to focus, there's a rubber grommet, and that goes inside the fender well with the full main harness. And so that's just an easy way to use an Allen push through to run your power wire. Show you on this side as well. But just running right through there, it comes through the wall, and your battery is right there.